In this video, I'll guide you through how to check your American Express application status seamlessly and efficiently. Whether you're eagerly waiting to know if your application got approved or simply want to keep track of its progress, this simple process will help you get the answers you need. First, you'll want to head over to the official American Express Application Status Center online. This is the go-to hub for all things related to your application status. Once you're on the website, you'll see a prompt asking for your application ID and zip code. Now, if you're wondering where to find this information, your application ID is typically provided when you submit your application, and your zip code is, of course, the one linked to your application. Entering these details will give you instant access to your application status. When you log in, you'll see updates on your application. These updates are usually categorized as approved, pending, or perhaps they might need more information from you. If your status is pending or requires additional information, don't worry, it's quite common. Just follow any instructions provided to expedite the process. For those who prefer mobile solutions, you can also check your status using the American Express mobile app, assuming you already have access. The app is designed to be user-friendly and provides a convenient way to stay updated on the go. Simply open the app, navigate to the section for application status, and enter the necessary details just like you would on the website. If online methods aren't your style or you prefer speaking with someone directly, another option is to call American Express customer service. Their representatives can provide you with real-time updates on your application. Make sure you have your application ID ready when you call to help streamline the process. And there you have it. That's how you can check your Amex application status with ease. By using one of these methods, you can stay informed and take any necessary action promptly. Remember, staying informed is key, and American Express provides several convenient ways for you to do just that. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in keeping you in the loop about your American Express application.